The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross remains a competitive compact SUV with usability, efficiency, and value. The Corolla Cross attracts many drivers with its redesigned look, technology, and hybrid powertrain. Exterior design, a strong front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a contoured profile give the Corolla Cross a new look. Due to its tiny size and high ground clearance, it can maneuver in confined locations, yet stand tall. Roof rails and a rear spoiler add sportiness. Interior tech and comfort. The Corolla Cross's cabin is roomy and pleasant for drivers and passengers. High-quality, soft-touch surfaces and a well-designed layout are within. The front seats are supportive and adjustable for a comfortable drive. The Corolla Cross has ample legroom and headroom for rear passengers, making it suited for extended trips. The Corolla Cross has an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. High-end trims have a 10.5-inch touchscreen with navigation and superior audio. A panoramic sunroof, wireless charging pad, and head-up display are also available. Performance and fuel economy, a gasoline engine and a hybrid powertrain are available for the Corolla Cross. A 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine develops 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque in the gasoline variant. Its CVT makes driving smooth and efficient. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and electric motor provide 196 horsepower in the hybrid powertrain. Compared to gasoline, it has better fuel economy and lower pollutants. All-wheel drive and an eCVT are offered in the hybrid model. Safety features. Toyota stresses safety, and the Corolla Cross comes with several innovative safety measures. The Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 system includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection lane, departure alert with steering assist full speed range, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist pricing and trim levels. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross has many trim levels with varied features and prices. L trims cost roughly $23,000, while XSE trims cost over $30,000. Overall impression, practicality, efficiency, and value make the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross an attractive compact SUV. It competes well in its segment with its redesigned design, technology, and hybrid powertrain. The Corolla Cross is a good choice for weekend adventures or fuel-efficient, everyday drivers.
In half a mile, turn left. Then, turn left in 800 feet.
Take the next right exit. Continue straight for 10 miles.
The new 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Drive further with significantly reduced emissions.